Hello my viewers around the globe, welcome to my channel. Guys, I'm very happy that my last video that I made, I was 100% sure this will happen, and this was the title: Bitcoin is fooling you, don't trade before watching this video. I'm very glad that some people watched this video and they got a lot of things in it. And among of the comments that I got in this video: I like your videos. Most of these YouTubers just want clicks. You give good knowledge. Big shout out to all of you who watched and you're still a subscriber on this very platform. And indeed, Bitcoin fooled people. I remember very well that by the time to record this video, I was about here. So Bitcoin went up to 69,000, but when it reached on 69,000, most of the people jumped into a long, because most of the YouTubers, they were just giving wrong information that Bitcoin was going up. Unfortunately, it was not the case. Bitcoin was not strong to make it go up. These are some of the reasons why I don't believe that Bitcoin is not ready as of now to go long. And if at all, guys, you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any video from Simo Crypto. You remember very well, I told you guys that in most cases I use moving averages when I'm trading. Actually, one of the best and accurate indicators, it is moving averages. In most cases I use 99, 25th and the 7th. So here was a scenario. The Bitcoin price started to go down. After reaching here, it started to go up, but the 7th moving average was already weak, so it couldn't get a support on the 25th and go up. After being weak, the market was going vice versa. When the 7th moving average was going down, just crossing here, the market was going up. This was exactly I was telling you that it was fooling you. And indeed it happened, because when you see this is a weekly chart and you see this candle on a weekly chart, that means that the market is going down after being rejected. First of all, what you have to understand, we have got a very strong resistance here that have been there for a very long time. And when you watch it in a daily candle, you can see that we have already almost got rejected almost 5 times, because you can see this first, second, third, fourth, fifth. So this was the 6th time, but we do not reach there. So this one shows exactly that this strong resistance cannot just be overtaken without being strong. First of all, we had to get at least a strong movement or a strong support, like here. When you see the 7th and the 25th moving averages were just trying to break, and they got a strong support on the 99. That's why we got a lot of movement here. So but here it was not the case. Here they were still moving. So for us to get at least a strong support, we have to get something like this. When you see it from here and here, at least after moving a little bit down, we got a clear strong support, and now we started a move here. So it has to happen in the same way here. This movement of the 7th has to go a little bit down, might be like this, before we jump, because we have to be strong before we break this resistance that have been there for a very long time. Secondly, whenever you see in a weekly chart, when we have got like 3 consecutive green candles, then expect the movement of Bitcoin to be weak in the nearby future. Because when you see the last time we got candles when we are many, we got it when we had a very strong support on the 99, and we went almost 8 candles, and now we started to go zigzag. But right now we had got 3 candles, but remember our support was very weak. you can see that our volume, it is very weak. It couldn't support our movement. So this is the reason I told you guys. And what we should do right now, hold on a little bit before you enter into a trade. This is the reason. When you watch it in a daily candle, you can see that the 7th moving average is almost reaching on the 99 moving average, and when they reach here, I expect it to cross it and go down. So it means we have to settle down the market so that we can get a strong momentum to cross this strong resistance. Hope guys you have understood me. And when you see on these small time frames, you can see that even in hourly chart, almost we are done. We are almost breaking everything, going down. So right now it is actually time for shorting. Yes, you can short a little bit, but you have to be very keen as the market is going down, because it won't take long. I repeat it won't take long before we get a strong movement going up. You can see since yesterday when I made a video, almost we have got 5 candles. The market is going down. This is very bad actually for the movement. I know we shall get a little bit movement here, might be like 2 or 3 candles, but they won't be strong, and we start go down so that we can break this line, or we can get a strong support here so that we can break our strong resistance. So guys, hope you have got it. Please, before you enter into a long, I know most of you guys, you have lost your money after entering on almost 70, and now the market started to decline. Right now you have already been liquidated. But guys, if you want to know a trick on how you can save your money after failing to get a target, just go in my videos there. You will watch it, and I will leave it actually in the pinned comment so that you can understand it, because you can save your money after failing a target and you don't get liquidated until the market comes back. So bye for today. Good luck.